In this video, I'm going to show you how to download and install the Zebronics Wi-Fi adapter driver. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so before we download and install the Wi-Fi adapter, what we need to do is temporarily disable your Windows firewall. So click on the search, type in firewall, and then click onto Windows Defender Firewall. And then a little box should appear like so, and then on the left hand side we've got different tabs. We want to go ahead and turn Windows Defender Wi-Fi off, so we want to go ahead and turn off, and then click on OK. But this is temporarily. We want to come back here and turn it back on after you installed it. So yeah, go ahead and do that. Then from here, come back and open up a web browser and go to zebronics.com. Now once we're here, we want to click onto support and click onto driver downloads. Now it depends what type of Wi-Fi adapter driver we want to get. So we got the Zeb USB 150 or the Zeb USB 300. So if you got the 150, we can go ahead and do a search for 150. Or if you want the 300, go ahead and click on the 300. And we've got the USB devices here. So the Zeb USB 300 WF, we can go ahead and download. Then from there we extract the files. So let's say, for example, I want to download that. Now that should... We've got a few different options, so depending what you're using, I'm using Windows, so I want to click on Windows as zip, and that should download automatically like so. It's only about 70 megabytes in size. Okay, so here it is. So I want to go ahead and extract it. So right click it, extract all. I'm going to leave it here to extract. Now once it completes, we can go ahead and open up the file. Like so. Click on Windows, then you can click on setup to set up install the Wi-Fi adapter driver, and then obviously after that go back and enable your Windows File Defender.